Hello mga ka-foodie! Welcome to my cooking channel. Our recipe for today is Ginisang Ampalaya or Sautéed Bitter Melon. The ingredients are cover it and let it simmer for about 3 minutes. Add salt and pepper. Now we can add the sliced ampalaya and stir it before we simmer it for 5 minutes. Taste it. If it needs more salt, it's perfect. The last ingredients to add in this recipe is the beaten eggs. Eggs add texture to the dish. There you have it mga ka-foodie, sauteed ampalaya with pork. Let's eat! If you enjoy my video, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will be notified when I have a new uploaded recipe. Thank you ka-foodie!